You sneeze and cough, thank goodness you can fight 'em off with help from an army of white blood cells in your body. Colds are kinds of viruses. Now as for what a virus is, well, they're like invaders taking over healthy cells. From cell to cell they keep on spreading. Before you know it, you'll be getting sick. You'll sniff or wheeze or cough or sneeze. It's awful, but that's all right because your body can defend itself. You're suffering with help from an army of white blood cells in your body. And the first stage is when cells called macrophages shoot the virus till antigens abound. And those antigens kickstart the helper T cells to activate the P cells to make antibodies and slow the virus down. The helper T's also trigger killer T cells. The cells the virus has infected. Your immune system